Hey everyone, and welcome back to Desire. Have you ever looked through your old family albums and found a photo you absolutely love, only to find it faded, scratched, or blurry? Well, today we're going to perform some magic. In this video, I'll show you how to take your oldest, most damaged photos and restore them so beautifully it'll look like they were taken yesterday with a digital camera. If you want to bring your cherished memories back to life, make sure to stay with me until the end. Before we dive into the tutorial, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't joined our family yet. Like always, let's start with Google. I'll search for Gemini and click on the first result, which is the official Google Gemini site, to open the app. Once we're inside Gemini, this is the main dashboard. Right here in the prompt box, we can type our request. I'm going to write it like this: write me a prompt to restore, retouch, and colorize an old photo. I'll hit enter and wait for Gemini to generate the prompts for us. As you can see, it gave us 3 different prompts, and we can use any of them depending on our image and goal. Personally, I think the first one is better suited for old, damaged, or blurry photos. So, I'll copy the first prompt. Now, let's head back to Google and search for Google Labs. When the results come up, you can either enter the main Google Labs site or choose specific sections. Today, I want to work with the Whisk tool, so I'll click on that to open Google Whisk. This is the landing page for Google Whisk. Let's click on Enter Tool. Once inside, you can open the menu from the arrow on the left. In the Sequence section, we'll go to Upload Image. Before uploading, I'll head over to Google Images and search for some old photos to test. I'm looking for images with visible scratches, cracks, and overall low quality. You can use any old photo you have, but a quick tip: it's better to use your own personal photos, because sometimes Google might flag images of famous people and won't allow you to restore them. I'll look through these and download a few that look challenging so we can really see the results. Once I have my images, I'll go back to Google Whisk. In the Sequence section, I'll click Upload Image and select one of the photos. Now, in the prompt box, I'll paste the prompt that Gemini wrote for us. Next, we choose the aspect ratio. I'll go with 16:9, which is perfect for desktop and YouTube, but you can choose based on your specific image. You can also see here that it's using the Nano Banana model. After adjusting these settings, I'll hit Generate and wait for it to create the image. Wow, look at that! It did an incredibly amazing job. Just look at the details and the quality. It performed perfectly. I'll put both images side by side so you can compare and see how beautifully it restored the photo. The result is just stunning. From here, we can save the newly created image. Now, let's move on to the next one. I'll upload another photo this time, a group shot. Once it's uploaded, I'll use the same prompt and hit Generate again. Let's wait for the magic to happen. The image is ready. It did a fantastic job here too. Even though there's still a slight line visible in the middle of the photo, overall, the restoration is excellent. Let's go back to the Sequence section and click Upload Image again. This time, I want to try a blurry, low-quality photo. Using the same prompt, I'll hit Generate. It gave us 2 versions. In my opinion, the one on the left is better. It has a great feel and the colors are lovely. On the right version, the woman's dress is just one solid color, but the left one handled it much better. It even fixed the blur and significantly upscaled the quality. I'm going to find one more image on Google because sometimes Whisk might give an error on certain files. I'll download a new one, go back to Whisk, click the trash icon to remove the previous photo, and upload the new one. Once it's up, let's hit Generate and wait. It gave us 2 results again. To me, the one on the left looks a bit more realistic and natural. Now, since it has already restored the color, I'll clear the prompt and go back to Gemini. I'll copy the second prompt, this time the one focused on enhancing and colorizing. I'll paste this new prompt into Whisk and hit Generate. Let's see the result. Now that's much better. The version on the left has great color saturation and the quality has been boosted even further. It's truly amazing work. I've actually made other videos about restoring old photos using different tools before. You can check those out as well to compare the methods. And that's a wrap. You saw how easily we can breathe new life into old photos using AI. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you can use it to restore your own precious memories in high quality. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments which AI tool you'd like to see a tutorial on next. Don't forget to subscribe to Desire so you don't miss out on all the exciting content coming your way. See you in the next one.